Hey guys, Steven the Salon Guy here, and in today's video I have Kevin, who's going to be my model for today's haircut. And a few interesting things about Kevin's hair is, one, he's been cutting it himself, which is kind of cool. And I said, Kevin, it's time for me to take over and give you a haircut. So what I'm going to do for his hair is I'm going to, fade this nice and tight in through here and just work it up into creating somewhat of a, he's got kind of a faux hawk going on through here, so I want to work into this shape. So I'm going to take this nice and tight, blend it all the way around, kind of clean the top up a little bit, and I'm going to do the haircut, skim through it, so follow along, and then we'll come back when I'm ready to show the finished result.
Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl. Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl.
All right guys, so Kevin's haircut is done, and for any of you that work on Asian hair, it's somewhat of a challenge. So, I tried my best to fade this in as best as I could, going from 4 zeros with my Oster clippers and working all the way up, and then switching to the wall clippers to kind of blend it in. And then I went in by hand, and literally I was doing scissor over comb right in this area to really soften this up. And I did this throughout the back, and I did this on both sides as well. As you can see, the other side too. And then I worked it up into the top. Now, mind you, again, he was cutting his hair himself. He had a lot of texture up in the top over here. So what I did is I literally just kind of really continued the fade in through here and just kind of texturized and enhanced some of those pieces that were some that were really, really long. So what I did is I just kind of sharpened them up a little bit to kind of give it a little more of a style and to kind of thicken the hair up right into this area, but still maintain a really, really cool texture, almost like a little faux hawk right in through here. And then I used clutch to style it, and here we have the end result. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.